stop and take a minute because this is by far the best road that we have ever driven. Pretty sure there's like fields of sugarcane everywhere. That's pretty cool because I haven't really seen that before. It's funny, I was just saying to Jess, this road is 80 and we are doing 90 pretty consistently. And there's a line of cars in front of me. And if we were in Sydney, we'd be doing 60 because some spastic would be at the front that doesn't know how to drive 100%. It's like, the further you get away from cities, the better people know how to drive. It's such a cool concept to me. I'm loving it. Good morning. Welcome to another day of sitting at the Gold Coast. I'm currently in YAMBA. We just had a banging breakfast at a cafe called, on Google Maps it was called Summies, but when we got there it was called Crave, I think, something like that. Banger. Stayed at Halfway Creek last night, which was about an hour from here. The scenes here are insane. There's a bit of traffic coming into town, which is like kind of a bit annoying because I'm kind of getting used to no traffic. But this is banging. We're living the dream. It's sunny, it's a beautiful day. The EVO is cracking on, no problems. Today, we are doing no driving roads today. We are going to go to LENNOX Head from here. We're gonna go to a bookshop first. Jess is doing like bakeries and bookshops and I'm kind of doing the car stuff. So it's more of a day for her today. YAMBA is beautiful. The EVO is cracking on. We're at another friggin' beach, man, and I'm not sick of it. We've been to so many beaches and I'm not sick of them. That's crazy. Driving around in the EVO is mad. I'm sort of compiling a list of the things that I want to do before the next road trip. This is like the test road trip, even with the cameras. Like I've been filming on the GoPro so much more because it is just so much easier to use than the big camera. So I'm curious to see how that turns out. Hopefully you're enjoying. This is different than what I usually do. You know, usually we do it in the garage, but I want to do a bit of that and a bit of this, you know. Maintain, work on the EVO, make it better, and then come and do this shit. I want to be on that one. I want to be on the big bridge. Instead I'm on the little shit bridge. Oh, I feel pretty. Look how big that is. And I'm on this pissy little bridge. And then there's a friggin' stoplight on a bridge. Who puts a stoplight on a bridge? Anyway, that's a sick river, eh? What river is that? Clarence River. We're going over the Clarence River past YAMBA on the ship bridge with the traffic light. Looks good for skiing, eh? Go for a ski. There's a big boat down there. Not like big like the one we saw in Yui, but there's like a pretty big boat down there. It's pretty cool. Alright, so this is the Harwood Bridge, which is definitely now the more interesting bridge. But we've been waiting here for 10 minutes on these freaking lights. And this is one of the bridges that lifts up so it can let traffic go through, like maritime traffic, but no traffic there was no boats. But this has a span that lifts up. So we're going now after, I think it was 15 minutes of sitting there, very confused. So one of the spans here lifts. So we just saw something going up here and then coming down, but it seemed like the bridge was still in place. So we're just kind of confused, in all honesty. So kind of weird, kind of confusing, but it's pretty neat, I guess. Would have been quicker up there, but. We are in LENNOX Head. I got the smallest medium coffee you've ever seen in your entire life, but it is what it is. This place is beautiful as well. Let's hit the beach and check it out. So it's about an hour drive here from wherever we were last. I can't even remember. where'd we go? Yamba. From Yamba to here was about an hour drive. Car went pretty well. Some of the, I think the rear left suspension area is making like a bit of a creaking a little bit, which is slightly concerning. There's been a little bit of a creak from the back of the car for like a long time. So I think when I get home, I'm sort of gonna, it's hard to tell when weight's on the car, you know, everything's compressed. So I think when I get home, I'll jack it up and sort of pull everything apart and check it all out, give it some love. But other than that, the car's loving it, man. It wants to sit on the motorway at about 130. I'm finding it really hard to stick to the speed limit. Just because like 130 feels like the sweet spot in terms of like just cruising, revs. I know cruise control obviously, so I'm finding it a little bit hard to stick to the speed limit, but that's all right. We haven't had any problems. And now we're just here and just loving it. Another beach, and I'm still not bored of it. Yikes. We're going through a tunnel. Do you know what that means? Oh, is that a speed camera? That's a speed camera, right? Hey, there's fucking speed camera in here, bro. It didn't even tell me. That's so cheeky. I was gonna fade that too, eh? That was lucky. We got a little pop. That was stressful. That was speed cameras, fucking tunnels ruin everything. Alright, we are now in Hastings Point. Another mad spot. EVO's chilling. Another headlands. We like headlands, don't we?
Yes, I like rocks as well.
I'm not retarded, but I like rocks. You seen that?
No.
How's that for some scenes? Made it very nearly, except for that fucking Mercedes that nearly took us out. Anyway, we're nearly at Broadbeach, finally. It's been a trip. We've done nearly 1,400 Ks, but we're here, the Gold Coast. How good?